Hello folks, this is Tadpole Smitty at Tadpole Smitty's garage. Let's go play with the Liberty Delta trike some more from our libertytrike.com. I'm going to attach a bag to the neck of the bike, and I'm going to show you how the handlebars fold and how the bike comes apart, how it folds and how it comes apart so you can load it into your vehicle. So let's go to the garage and do that. Garage. There it is. So I got me a bag that I had on one of my other trikes. It's an extra bag, so I didn't go out and buy it. It goes on the neck of a bicycle, but it's extra, so I'm gonna attach it right here. I think that'll work out. Hello. Thinking about this going right here like this, right under that. Strap it off. So let's install this right here. Yeah, that'll work. And put my cell phone in there, my wallet, keys. The back is big and holds a lot of stuff, but I don't like mixing my stuff with a cargo. It might be hauling gardening stuff, or you can get these off Amazon. You can get them at Walmart. They're really $10 or $11. A really nice one's $30. Cool. Put your cell phone in here if you want. Yep.
Your service has been temporarily disconnected.
That's cool. Put my keys in here. Put glasses in here, whatever you want. I made arrangements for my mother to ride it down on her little farm in Peralta, New Mexico. Right now I'm in Santa Fe, New Mexico. I'm at 7,000 feet. I can watch myself on YouTube as I ride the Delta. Look. How weird is that? First things first, let's put on our safety equipment. Go back to Tadpole's garage and put it on. Cool. Anyway. Isn't that neat? This right here, all this contraption, this lock right here. So you flip this lock that way up, and you pull this down like this all the way, and the handlebar tilts just like that. Isn't that amazing? So this makes it smaller. That's pretty cool, Jason. That is pretty cool. Howdy folks, this is Tadpole Smitty. Today we're going to take the Liberty trike and put it in the back of my vehicle. Seems impossible, doesn't it? Well, it's not. This thing comes apart, folds up, splits into two pieces, makes it very light to load into the back of a vehicle like this. So let's get with it. When I take this trike apart, I like to carry a moving blanket. It's quilted. It's soft. That way you don't tear stuff up and scratch the paint, because you are going to take this thing apart, right? So I just like to lay it down like this. Take it into the location, set your front brake. This is where we're going to take it apart. Okay? First thing I want to do is I want to take this handlebar and fold it down. So how you do that is you take this lock that's right here. See this lock? I need to tighten it up a little bit. But what you do is you move this lock out of the way. You take this mechanism and you fold it down. All the way down. And it allows this handlebar to fold. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? It'll even go farther if the pedal isn't in the way. So that, we want to do that, right? We want to release that. Next thing I want to do is to release the pins in this on the split apart. But before we do that, we need to unplug the cable on the other side. So we need to unplug this right here. And undo this little connection. Undo that, and then there's a little keeper. You want this cable just to hang here. Quick release right here. Unopen it like that. Open it up. Unopen. Open it up. And then we're able to split the unit in half. See how this comes up? Just like that. Ta-da! So easy. So easy. Okay. We want to put our pin back in here like this and put this pin in here for removing. Just for moving. We'll take all that back apart once we get there. We want to wheel this half of the trike over here. Take your flag out. Stow your flag. You can see, get this up here, and this is when I take my seat out. Unrelease this pin here for the seat, loosen it up. Your seat comes right out. Just push that back in there like that. The seat in here. It down where the two parts of the bike are going to rub on each other so they don't scar up paint. And just stow it in here without scratching anything. And just lift the there you go, all loaded up. Well folks, that's as easy as it gets to put a Liberty trike together. Get your Liberty trike at libertytrike.com.